sunshine in your smile. Bring me laughter all the while. In this world where we live, there should be more happiness.
I get up, I get down, and I'm trapped in a rug. It's so comfortable now. When I head around, but I'm thinking it's time to go. Man, I'm up to something. Ooh, yeah, thank you all for coming. I hope you like the show, cause it's on the budget. So
What's 2 + 2?